student. I am S.K. Misra, teacher of maths in DAV CCL Grade E. Today I am going to start second part of mensuration, in which we have to study volume about cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone, sphere and hemisphere. First of all, what is the volume of cuboid? So we know that volume of cuboid is equal to L into B into H. We have already studied in class 8 L into B into H means area of base into height. Volume of cube has length, breadth and height all are equal, so volume of cube is equal to side cube. Volume of cylinder is also be a symmetrical shape, so its volume also be equal to area of base into height. Area of base into height. Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h, because if we will take one cylinder and one cone of same radius, same radii and same heights, we will find that volume of cylinder is 3 times the volume of cone. So volume of cone is 1 by 3 of the volume of cylinder. It means 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now volume of sphere. Volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. And volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. What is volume? A solid object occupies space. The measure of the occupied space is called the volume of the object. Find the cost of digging a cuboidal pit 8 meter long, 6 meter broad and 3 meter deep at the rate of 30 per meter cube. So volume of cuboidal pit. So obviously L into B into H. So 8 into 6 into 3 meter cube, meter into meter into meter, meter cube. So equal to 144 meter cube. And cost of digging the pit is equal to, because cost is rupees 30 per meter cube, so 144 into 30 means rupees 4420. Now next question is, the capacity of a closed cylindrical vessel of height 1 meter is 15.4 liters. How many square meters of metal sheet would be needed to make it? The volume of cylinder, closed cylinder, is here given 15.4 liter, and we know that 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. So 1 liter is equal to 1 by 1000 meter cube. So 15.4 liter means 15.4 by 1000 meter cube. Now volume of cylindrical vessel, we know that pi r square h. So 22 by 7 r square h is here 1 meter is equal to 15.4 by 1000. So r square is equal to 15.4 into 7 by 1000 into 22, and after calculation we will find it is 7 by 100 square. It means r is equal to 7 by 100 meter means 0.07 meter. Now here we question is, how many square meter of metal sheet would be needed to make the cylinder? So cylinder is closed, so for finding the area of metal sheet required for making this cylinder, we have to know, we have to find the total surface area of the cylinder. Because cylinder is closed cylinder, so it consists 3 surfaces, and then total area is equal to 2 pi r plus h. It means 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r square, 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. It means, so this one is 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.07 into 0.07 plus 1, because radius is 0.07 and height is 1 meter and 0.70, so we remove decimal, so divided by 100 and 1.07 it means, and then 44 by 100 into 1.07 meter square, and it is equal to 0.4708 meter square. Next question is, a right triangle ABC with side 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 13 centimeter is revolved about the side 12 centimeter. This cone is triangle is revolved about the side of 12 centimeter, so it revolved about the side of 12 centimeter, then it becomes a cone, and then volume of cone is, we know that, so here 12 centimeter acts as height and radius is 5 centimeter. So volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3 pi means 22 by 7, r square 5 into 5 into 12 centimeter cube. 3 4s are 12. So 5 4s are 20, 5s are 100, 2200 by 7 centimeter cube, and it is equal to 314.3 centimeter cube. Now next question is, the diameter of the metallic ball is 4.2 centimeter. What is the mass of the ball if the density of metal is 8.9 gram per centimeter cube? So ball is spherical in shape. So first radius is equal to diameter by 2, 4.2 by 2 centimeter, 2.1 centimeter. A volume of metallic ball. So volume of sphere, we know that 4 by 3 pi r cube. So it is 4 by 3 into pi means 22 by 7, r cube 2.1 into 2.1 into 2.1. We remove the decimal point, so divided by 10 each. And then after calculation, it becomes 38808 by 100 centimeter cube. It means 388.08 centimeter cube. Now we have to find here mass of the ball. So density is given here 8.9 gram per centimeter cube. It means weight of 1 centimeter cube of ball is 8.9 gram. So mass of the metallic ball is equal to 388.08 into 8.9 gram, and this is equal to 2453.912 gram. After dividing it by 1000, converting it into kg, kilogram, decimal point shifts 3 places to the left. So this one is 2.453912 kg. Now next question is, how many liters of milk can a hemispherical ball of diameter 10.5 centimeter hold? So diameter is given 10.5 centimeter. Obviously radius is diameter by 2, 10.5 by 2 centimeter. A volume of hemispherical ball, and we know that volume of hemispherical ball is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So this one is 2 by 3 pi 22 by 7, 10.5 into 10.5 into 10.5. After calculation, we will find this is 11 into 5 into 105 by 2000, and then 303.1875 centimeter cube. Now next question is, 27 solid iron spheres, each of radius r and surface area s, are melted to form a sphere with surface area s dash. Find the radius r dash of the new sphere and ratio of surface area of both the spheres, smaller and the greater. So we know that when 2-3 spheres melted to form a single sphere, then volume does not change. So volume of new sphere is equal to 27 into volume of the given sphere, because when we, just like if we want to convert a cylinder into a ball, a spherical ball, then volume of cylinder is equal to volume of a spherical ball. Volume does not change. Area will be changed, but volume does not change. So volume of new sphere is equal to 27 into volume of the given sphere, and volume of new sphere 4 by 3 pi r dash cube is equal to 27 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi cancel. So r1 cube is equal to then 27 r cube. r1 cube is equal to 27 r cube, means 3r whole cube, and therefore r dash is equal to 3r. It means radius of new sphere becomes 3 times the radius of previous sphere. Now here we have to find a ratio of surface areas of both bigger sphere, smaller sphere to bigger sphere. So S, the total surface area is because sphere has only one surface, 4 pi r square, and S dash means 4 pi r dash square. 4 pi cancel, r square by r dash square. R dash means 3r whole square, means r square by 9r square. It means 1 by 9 means 1:9. Now next question is, a heap of wheat is in the form of a cone whose diameter is 10.5 meter and height is 3 meter. Find its volume. The heap is to be covered by canvas to protect it from rain. Find the area of canvas required. So diameter is given 10.5. So radius is equal to 10.5 by 2 centimeter. Now slant height is equal to h square plus r square. 10.5 by 2 whole square plus 3 square. It means it is equal to 110.25 by 4 plus 9. And this is 110.25 plus 36 by 4, 146.24 by 4. And this is equal to 12.092 by 2, and this is equal to 6.046 centimeter. It is approximate value, not accurate value. So answer will be slight change. Volume 1 by 3 pi r square to 1 by 3 pi 22 by 7, 10.5 by 2, 10.5 by 2, 3 meter cube, and this is 86.625 meter cube. It may be slight change. Area of canvas, CSA of conical heap, and so slant height is L is here 6.046. So pi RL area of canvas, because here for finding the area of canvas we have to find the curved surface area of the conical heap, which is pi RL to 22 by 7, 10.5 by 2 into 6.046, and then this is equal to 99.759 centimeter square. One question is, a river 3 meter deep and 40 meter wide is flowing at the rate of 22 km per hour. How much water will fall into the sea in a minute? The speed of water 2 km per hour. So 2 into 1000 by 60. Here we convert kilometer per hour into meter per minute. So 2 into 1000 meter by 60 minutes. So it is equal to 100 by 3 meter per minute. Now it means water flows length of river in which water flows in 3 minutes is 100 meter. This one is the length. So volume of water flows per minute is equal to, because river is cuboidal in shape, L into B into H, 100 by 3 into 3 into 40 meter cube, and this is equal to 4000 meter cube. Now next question is, a solid cube of solid side 12 centimeter is cut into 8 cubes of equal volumes. What will be the side of new cube? Also find the ratio between their surface area. So volume of 8 cube, because bigger cube is cut into 8 equal cubes, so volume of 8 small cubes is equal to volume of bigger cube. It means 8 into side cube is equal to 12 centimeter cube, because side of bigger cube is 12 centimeter, 12 into 12 into 12. So side cube is equal to 12 into 12 into 12 by 8, and then 6 into 6 into 6 after calculation, and then side is equal to 6 centimeter for new cube. Side 6 centimeter, side is for new smaller cube. Now here we have to find surface area of new cube to that of the surface area of the bigger cube. So surface area of cube is 6 into side square. So 6a square by 6a dash square. So new side of new cube is 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter square by side of previous cube is 12 centimeter. So 12 cube. So it is 6 into 6 by 12 into 12. 6 2 are 12, 6 2 are 12. It is 1 by 4. So this is 1:4. 1:4. So the ratio of surface area of, therefore ratio of surface area of new cube to that of to that of surface area of bigger cube is equal to 1:4. Thank you children.